So what's up everybody? In this video we're going to be talking about the truth about diabetes. Now diabetes is something that's been dear to my heart because my mom got diabetes like 6 years ago or something like that, and this is around the same time whenever I started getting into vegan lifestyle, plant-based living, and I bought a book by Dr. Neil Bernard that just told me everything I needed to know about diabetes. Now, in society, we blame sugar for diabetes. We say if you have diabetes, it's a sugar problem. So the best solution is obviously cut out all the sugars in the diet. So that means no fruit, no rice, no potatoes, etc. And what I came to realize from reading Dr. Neil Bernard's book is that diabetes is not caused by sugar. Diabetes is actually caused by the body's inability to absorb sugar. And this is really important to understand because whenever you look at Homo sapiens, we look at our species and we look at where we have evolved from, we are tropical creatures. We're designed to be in an environment where it's sunny, with lots of fruit trees, lots of leaves, etc. And this would have been our primary fuel source in the beginning, before even the mastery of fire. So fruit contains natural sugars. Fruit contains fiber, minerals, but it also contains sugar. Bananas, dates, oranges, grapes, melons, all these things contain sugar. So I was like, why would it be that our natural food is not good for us? And what I realized is that no, glucose is something that the body should be able to readily uptake. But what happens is we gunk up our cells by consuming too much excess dietary fats. Too much excess dietary fats. So what I mean by that is whenever we consume a lot of animal products, a lot of oils, a lot of butter, cream, cheese, dairy products, and say we're on a vegan lifestyle, excess amounts of, again, animal products or excess amounts of nuts, seeds, and avocados, what happens is our cells are like a house, and with all that excess dietary fat, it's like someone putting a white sticky layer around the house. And insulin, being the transporter of glucose, is like a postman walking up, doing their job, and they've got the package, which is sugar, which is supposed to enter your cells and supposed to provide the cell with energy so that you can do things in life, run marathons, walk, take care of your kids, have energy just to live your life. So the postman, insulin, is just doing their job, carrying the sugar, trying to get it into the house, and all of a sudden they can't get in. They can't get in because of this sticky white layer around the house. And this has been shown in studies. If you look up studies that look at the blood after a high-fat meal, there is an increase in cell adhesion, meaning the cells form a sticky layer and allows them to stick together a lot more. And this is because of the excess amount of dietary fat. So what happens is the postman can't get the sugar into the house in this analogy, and the postman goes crazy and starts bashing the place. And that is diabetes in a nutshell. And this is why Dr. Neil Bernard has seen such successful results, and he's created studies by it. Just look up Dr. Neil Bernard low-fat vegan study PubMed on diabetes, and you'll see he's got amazing success rate in increasing the body's ability to absorb glucose from getting them on a low-fat diet. And what's happening there is that whenever you cut out the animal products, you cut out all the vegetable oils, and you eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, you eat a plant-based lifestyle low in fat, then you give your body the chance to be able to eliminate this sticky layer around the cell that caused that cell adhesion, and that allows glucose to be able to be absorbed by the cell a lot more easier. It allows insulin to be able to do their job a lot easier because the house isn't covered by this sticky, fatty layer. So the postman is happy, the insulin's happy, and the sugar is happy because it can go into the cells. Cells are happy because they're getting their energy, and you're happier because you can actually have energy to live, and you reduce your chances of getting complications with diabetes. So look up Dr. Neil Bernard on reversing diabetes and better diabetes management. And yeah, this could be life-changing stuff for some people, because I've bumped into people who have had amputated legs and stuff like that because they weren't told the truth about diabetes. And this kind of frustrates me. I'm like, why isn't this common knowledge? This should be common knowledge. You know, we don't need people losing limbs and losing legs and all this shit because of misinformation. So check out Dr. Neil Bernard. I will leave a link in the description section. And always like, subscribe, comment. If you want recipes that are oil-free, low in fat, check out my ebook. I'll leave that in the description section below as well. And yeah, as always, peace, love, veganism. I'm out.